Impress your guests with this delightful treat. Begin by creaming together 1/2 cup of softened butter and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Next, incorporate 1 separated egg. Start by mixing in the egg white, followed by the yolk. Stir in 3 tablespoons of smooth apricot jam for added flavor. In a separate bowl, dissolve 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda in some milk, then blend it into the mixture. Sift together 3/4 cup of cake flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Alternate this dry mix with 1 cup of cold black coffee until well combined. In a microwave-safe dish measuring 21 + 10 centimeters, combine 2 cups of water, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of grated orange rind, and 1½ cup of orange juice. Bring this to a boil in the microwave for about 4 minutes on high. Then, pour the chocolate batter into the boiling syrup. Cover it with cling film and poke a few holes. Cook on high for approximately 12 minutes and allow it to sit for 5 minutes afterward. Serve alongside vanilla ice cream and savor the deliciousness.